Yo, what's up? It's the pilot and I'm back. Like I left my cell phone in the sofa cushion, you heard? Hey, real quick before we get started, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Click, hit the notification bell. You know, I'm about 200 subscribers off of being able to monetize my channel. You know, I'm doing it the hard way. But anyway, hey, share this and tell a friend. This video is gonna be really quick. I got to thinking, and you guys know how big I am on footwear, period. And I got to thinking about what is the most important piece a guy that dresses differently overall, that stands out overall in fashion. An everyday guy, not like some fashion designer guy or any of that stuff. Just a regular guy that knows how to put together outfits well, whether it be suits, whether it be casual, whether it be business casual, whatever. And I thought about it. I said, these people, my followers, need to know this shit. And the number one thing, guys, the number one thing that you need to care about and you need to have in your wardrobe is a mean-ass pair of boots. Is that a surprise? Is that a surprise? There's nothing that you can wear, especially a boot with a heel, some type of Chelsea boot with a heel, but it's nothing in your wardrobe that just makes your style a whole lot better or makes it go up 4 notches rather than a pair of boots, whether it be jeans, even wearing a suit. Like with this particular boot that I have here, I could easily wear this with a navy suit, a black suit, and it will set it off, make it look a whole lot better, a little bit different, you know? I know you guys, I probably have a million videos on my channel about boots, but nothing beats a pair of boots. You wearing jeans instead of wearing sneakers. Most of my followers are sneakerheads, for the most part. And you know, I had a homegirl that I was talking to the other day, and you know, it's really hot out here in Texas where I'm at. We sitting down talking about it. She's like, yeah, you know, I love your channel. It's gonna be so big one day. And I'm like, yeah. So she was like, but I got a question for you. Why are you wearing, y'all like my girl voice, why are you wearing boots and it's 105 degrees outside? And you know what I said? I asked her, I said, hey, you got a boyfriend, right? She's like, yeah, I got a boyfriend. I said, okay. I said, do y'all take pictures when y'all go out? Like full body pictures? She was like, yeah. I said, well, the last time y'all, show me a picture from the last time y'all went out. And of course, guess what he had on? Polo, some Jordan 3s, and some jeans. Nothing wrong with that. But that's typical guy stuff. And I looked at it, I said, okay. I said, let me show you what I would have worn that night we went out if we was together. No hate on your man, and it was a picture with some boots. And I said, now you take these boots off of me and put it on him, and you tell me would it look better. Forget this heat. We talking about looking good. She totally agreed with me. All different types of boots. You cannot go wrong with boots. I like Chelsea boots. Even like cowboy, like snakeskin cowboy boots, freaking military boots. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I just like boots. You know? But I feel like I could go to a football game, right? And I normally wear, most people normally wear a pair of sneakers because you're going to do a lot of walking. I will wear a pair of boots with my Cowboys jersey and get compliments like I put together a mean outfit. Now, keep in mind, these are red bottoms right here, but I could wear this regular old boot right here and people give me compliments on my outfit and I'm wearing a football jersey. You know? So, I just think it makes you look more put together. It makes it look like you put more effort into your outfit, even though the only thing you did was wear boots instead of sneakers. or dress shoes. All right. So you guys tell me, what do you think about boots? Do you care about boots as much as me? Do you own a pair of boots? Do you like to wear boots with the heel, with a 1-inch heel, or boots that are flat with a small heel? You know, tell me about it. I think boots are the number one and essential thing you need to have in your wardrobe to be stylish. Okay, to set yourself apart from other people, from other men. All right, that's pretty much it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think, and remember, you are the flyest motherfucker on earth. I'll see y'all later.